Rahmanir Rahim. This video is intended for the training of the Gold Power and Marine staff, our colleagues at the warehouse. This video will cover two subjects. One is how to create warehouses and locations at Odoo, and the second topic is going to be how to store the products to the intended location within the warehouse, and this is called the Putaway strategy. Supposingly that Gold Power and Marine has three warehouses: the Dammam warehouse, AlKhobar warehouse, and Jubail warehouse. So we have three warehouses. Supposingly that Dammam warehouse, inside the warehouse, we split the locations into two locations. One is location number 1 and the other one is location number 2. Exactly we did for Jubail, and we can do the same for AlKhobar. Supposingly within location number 2, under the Dammam warehouse, we have split the location number 2 into two areas, like shelf number 1 and shelf number 2. It could be very much more sophisticated than what we see here in normal operations of warehouses for like medium-sized companies and large companies. Also, under location number 1 at the Dammam warehouse or under AlKhobar or Jubail warehouse, we could have so many racks, we could have so many shelves. Okay, and the subject of this short video is how we can create the warehouses and locations. These are all locations, okay, and how to give the system the strategies how to store any received product. When we receive the product, the staff, they will know from the system where they should store this product. So at the sales, whenever we have a sales, it's easy to pick them up and ship them to our clients. This is Odoo database. Let's start with the inventory application. Under configuration, what I should be doing is first of all, I should go to settings. I should activate the multi-route function. Okay, I have this one, multi-step routes. I have to activate. After activate, and I have to activate the multi-warehouses. I should save. This is step number 1. Step number 2 is that we should go to, second step is to go into configuration, warehouses, and we should configure our warehouses. For example, our company has 3 warehouses. I already configured the Dammam warehouse, AlKhobar warehouse, and Jubail warehouse. We will open one of them, like the Dammam warehouse. Okay, it has a short name, WH Dammam warehouse number 1. Okay, and this is the address. We can add up the address, whatever the address we would like to have. Okay, and on the shipment side, okay, we should specify the steps into receiving and dispatching goods out of the warehouse. And this is the simplest, that we should receive goods directly in one step, and we should deliver goods directly in one step. Second item is receive goods in input and then stock, and then we stock it. So we have two steps, okay. And the third option is receive goods in input, then quality, and then stock it, okay. And also resupply. There are some rules. We could supply this warehouse from AlKhobar warehouse, not from the vendors, okay. We can supply it from Jubail, okay, or we can buy. We can have multiple options here, okay. So I have created three warehouses already: Dammam warehouse, Khobar warehouse, and Jubail warehouse. Let's go into locations. Okay, what I need to do, if I go back to the graph, okay, I need for the Dammam warehouse, I need to make two locations, location one and location two, okay, and under location two, I should be having shelf one and shelf two. So this is now we have three locations, three warehouses, not locations. We have the Dammam warehouse, we have Khobar warehouse, and we have Jubail warehouse. Let's go and see the locations that we have. I had some locations before, but the locations that should go with the graph, okay, is the MAM. This is what we have. This is Khobar location, the Khobar warehouse. It is also a location, stock. It is one location under stock. This is Jubail warehouse. It's also one location. It's under stock. Okay, and we have the MAM warehouse, location one, and we have the MAM warehouse, location two. Okay, and we have shelf number two and shelf number one locations under the Dammam warehouse location one and the Dammam warehouse location two. This is supposed to be location two, but they're exactly the same. Now we have two options. Option number one is to go for configuration and then Putaway rules. Then we will have this page. Here we can specify for each product where we should, when we receive this product, where we should store it. For example, this is the product A. Okay, this is a product A. When we receive it, okay, it will go into the Dammam warehouse, and the people at the Dammam warehouse, when they receive it, they will place it at location number one, location number one, shelf number one. Supposingly, I have another product, which is like product B. Okay, I can here specify through this screen where we should, how we can treat this product when we receive it, where we should store it. But there is another option, and I'm gonna keep this product for the second option, so I'm not gonna work on it. I'm not gonna work on it here. So what I should be doing, I should go to the product itself. Okay, and this is the product B. I have here the Putaway strategy, Putaway rule. If I open it up, I can specify, I can create. And if I create, I'm creating only for product B because I'm under the template of the product B. Okay, and I can here, and I can say, when we receive it in the Dammam warehouse, this one, or this one, location one, or this one, and store it to the Dammam warehouse, location one, shelf two. And I can save. So I'll go back into Putaway rules, and I see that we have created a strategy, a Putaway strategy for product B, that whenever we receive it, it goes into the Dammam warehouse. We could specifically give another strategy that this, like a product B, should also go into like AlKhobar warehouse, into certain shelves, okay? We can have this strategy. So later on, we can control the mechanism when we open a purchase order for the vendor. Now, the strategy is usually done and made by those people working in the store. They're managing the strategies, okay? Not the purchasing people, not the sales people. So whenever we want to open a request for quotation, a purchase order for any client, supposedly, and this is like product one, product A, and we would like to have like 10 units. And pricing, we have already agreed with the vendor that we will pay like 100 Saudi Riyal for it. So the total is like 100. And we have the VAT 15%, it's 150. So total is 1150. Excuse me. Now we have already in agreement with the client. So we're not gonna send an email, okay? We will just confirm the order right away, okay? If we go into other operations, we will say that deliver to the mom warehouse receipt because we have specified that it should go into the mom warehouse receipt. Okay, now the purchasing people do not have to know. Okay, this is the strategy of the warehouse people. Okay, and also here, okay, we don't have to specify what the shelf or the exact location. It's just go to the mom warehouse for the time being because whenever we receive, for example, we're going to receive. Okay, it's going to the mom warehouse location one. Okay, this one is usually received by the inventory people, okay, and when once if they want to validate, supposingly they want to receive they're receiving the goods, okay, what they could be doing, they could validate. They will receive 10 units, okay. If the gentleman at the warehouse, they come here and they print the picking operation. They will see that product A, 10 units, okay, it should go to shelf number one at location number one. So those staff will take those products, product A, and will store it at shelf number one. Let's check on this product A. Okay, supposingly now we go to the inventory module. We go into reporting, inventory valuation, our inventory report. Okay, now we have product A here, and if we open it, it shows the location that it is at shelf number one, okay, and the units are 10. And we could have product number A, and there's so many locations within the warehouses, could be Ajubail, could be AlKhobar. Uh, okay, and this is exactly the 10. Okay, and this is the value. If we go to the product itself, product A, okay, and we go into the on-hand units. It shows also that we have like 10 units, okay, at shelf number one, Dammam warehouse location number one.